Engineering performance depends on the details, and few details are more critical than how components are joined. At TR, we go beyond supplying fasteners. We engineer joining solutions that improve product performance, manufacturing efficiency, and supply chain resilience under real-world conditions. Through engineering-led collaboration, we apply value analysis and value engineering, alongside design for manufacturing and design for assembly principles. This enables customers to rationalize part numbers, simplify assemblies, and reduce total cost of ownership, while improving quality and reusability. Early engagement is essential. Up to 80% of a product's total cost is determined at the design stage. Our engineers specialize in fastening technologies and manufacturing processes, helping customers make informed design decisions that optimize performance from the outset. Our expertise covers standard and custom fasteners, Category C components, and complex subassemblies. We transfer proven solutions across industries while adapting to sector-specific standards and regulatory requirements. We support high-growth sectors such as automotive electrification, medical technology, and smart infrastructure, where precision, life-cycle reliability, and global compliance are critical. Sustainability is embedded in our approach, from recycled and lower carbon materials to cleaner manufacturing processes. At TR, engineering isn't just a function, it's how we help customers build better, more efficient, and more sustainable products. To learn how TR can support your engineering and supply chain challenges, visit our website today.